Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at 6 cases from Poetic that are all designed for the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and S10e. Let's check them out. Now in this review, we're going to take a look at 6 cases from Poetic that are available today for your S10. We're also going to do a wireless charging test to make sure that they charge. All these cases are going to be tested with a S10 Plus that has a Whitestone dome glass screen protector on it. So we'll see if it works too. Let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now we're going to be taking a look at 2 different case lines within the Poetic line. And what you'll notice is that they have some similarities, but then they also have some unique features. So as we take a look at the first one here, this is probably the more rugged of the 2. It has a stronger, stiffer TPU material going all the way around it. And then it has a polycarbonate back. You'll notice that it has these little dots that are raised from the back as well, and then you have this kickstand that's going to allow you to use this to watch movies or any kind of media. You can do video chat and stuff like that with it as well. And then you have this frame, and this frame on this one has kind of like a little gasket going inside, so you can see that going all the way around. So that's the first option, and these share the same attributes, they just have different colors. So you'll notice this is an all black, and then this is a black and blue, and then this one has kind of like a hot pink with gray. As we look at this one right here, you have something very similar happening. Let's look at the one that doesn't have a phone for a second. You have a clear case, right? Polycarbonate back, TPU sides. You do have a frame, but this frame does not have a gasket on it. And if we take a look at the other ones, you'll notice that you have same treatment. So you have the gray with pink. It's a little bit more flexible than this one. And then you have one right here that has the blue, and you can see I have the phone on. Now, the phone that I have inserted does have a Whitestone tempered glass screen protector. So let's start with this one, and then we'll look at some of the other colors. We're going to check and see if it wirelessly charges, and you see it does. Now, next up is the pink case, so you can see what the phone looks like on. And again, this has the Whitestone dome glass screen protector still on it. I'll flip it over so you can see what it looks like on this side. And a couple attributes that we'll see in this is that you do have these ports right here that are nicely protected. You'll notice that you have some great bumper protection on each side, here and here. Great screen protection. You can see how raised it is. It's really raised high, which I really like about these cases from Poetic. The buttons are clicky and responsive, and you see them on both sides. And again, you have your pinhole mic cut out there as well. On the back, it's see-through, and then you can see your camera is well protected. We'll do the wireless charging test and see if it works. And you notice it does as well. Now the last case we're looking at here is, this is the gray one. So you notice how the back looks with the gray material. Everything is the same. This is just a different look, just so you can see what it looks like on the phone. We'll go ahead and put the phone here in the charging, and it also charges. All right, so now we have the case with the gray kickstand as well as the hot pink. So you'll notice what it looks like again. Again, great screen protection, fantastic screen protection. You have your buttons as well. Raised protection all the way around. So this is definitely going to protect your phone. Sides feel good too. This is what the back looks like. So it's raised here. Camera protected well. Again, your kickstand. That's what it's going to look like. Close that up. All your ports here on the bottom. Same as the other one. Pinhole at the top. And if we check the wireless charging, see if it works. Works as well. Now for those of you who are curious about how it looks with the blue, here's our blue frame around it. Flip it over. That's what it would look like. Has all the same features as the other one. And just like with the other case, it's going to wirelessly charge as well. All right, so now the last look is going to be the black on black. So you can see what it looks like here. How it looks like in the back. All the same features. And it's going to wirelessly charge as well. So guys, that wraps up our review of these cases for the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, or S10e from Poetic. If you have any comments or questions about them, leave them in the comment area below. Thanks for watching.